Hello you guys. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this magnolia wreath. Now, I love magnolia wreaths because they are great as year-round greenery, and also I just love the realistic look and touch of the leaves. This is a beautiful wreath and you can basically style it with any type of decor in your home. Also, I decided to record me doing this wreath because this was sold in my Etsy shop. So I'm just taking you guys along with me on this tutorial of how I made and create this magnolia wreath. So the material you need to create this wreath, you will need a 14-inch grapevine. You need floral wire, 2 bushes of magnolia leaves. You need a hot glue gun, of course, hot glue, and wire cutters. So as you can see, I cleaned my grapevine already before I started filming. So you guys, you may have to clean up your grapevine wreath a little bit, and you just use your wire cutters to cut off any excess leaf or anything sticking out from the wreath. You want to clean all that off before you start to glue any of your leaves on. So once you clean up your grapevine, you are going to go ahead and get one of your magnolia bushes, and you're going to cut off some stems. Now, when you start to cut your stems, you're going to have 3 leaves on each stem. So that's what you want to look for when you're cutting your stems for your magnolia wreath. You may have a few stems that may fall off as singles. Some people will glue the leaf back onto the stem, and some people just use the leaf as a single and just kind of glue it in on a wreath wherever it needs to be filled in fuller on a leaf. On a wreath. You'll be able to see that in the video towards the end, and I'll come back to you guys to let you know when we get to that part. So once you cut all your stems, we are now ready to glue them in onto the grapevine. So what you're going to do is you're going to place, as you can see that I'm doing here, you're going to place your stem in on a grapevine, and you're going to make sure it's laid flat. Now when you start to glue in your other leaves, you are going to position them all in the same direction, kind of like overlapping one another. Now I placed my stem in the middle of the grapevine towards the edge, because what you're going to do is when you fill up the rest of the wreath, in the middle section, you may have some areas where you want to go in and fill in. That's where you can use your single leaves for. So you guys, I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but I also have floral wire, and I'm going to use that floral wire to tie down some of the magnolia leaves that do not lay flat once they're glued on. I like my leaves to kind of lay flat to give it more of a natural look, and for it to lay flat against the grapevine. So that's what I use the floral wire for. I don't wire down all of the leaves, just certain ones. It depends. It's up to you what you want to wire down. Some people don't wire them down. Some people just glue and leave them as is, but it's up to you. I just like mine to be secured and also flat, like I said, on the grapevine. So it's up to you. But if you are enjoying this video so far, please hit the like button and also subscribe so that you will see you'll get notified of all of my videos, you guys. So now I'm going to speed up the video and I'll be back shortly. Okay, you guys, so here, as I mentioned earlier, there are going to be some areas where you can use the single stems to go in and kind of fill in your wreath. All you would do is just pull your magnolia leaf from a stem, and you can add glue to the tip of it and just kind of make sure you place it, shove it into the grapevine so that it is nice and stable. Also, another option is you can pull a single leaf from off the stem, or you can just cut one single stem off with one leaf and just kind of place it into the grapevine, just in the areas that it needs a little bit of fullness. Just make sure you place them nice and neatly, and everything is going into the same direction to give it that natural look that you would see out, when you're looking at the leaves on a tree. Just make it look realistic as possible. But everything looks good so far. I'm impressed with this wreath. It's very, very beautiful. And I'm going to speed it up from here. So here is the finished product, you guys. This is the finished Magnolia Wreath, you guys. So I'm going to package this up because this is going to be sent to a customer that ordered it off of Etsy. So you guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe. You guys also check out my playlist of wreath making DIYs. You may see something else that you like. Thank you guys. See y'all next time. Goodbye.